G'day and welcome. On my benchtop today, I have my little tribute to BigClive.com. It's a supercomputer in Arduino form. So it uses one of these dot matrix displays that are quite common these days. This one is from JK Electronics in Australia, and it's a 16 column by 16 row display, two 8-bit serial shift registers, multiplex 16 times. I'm driving it using an Arduino Uno. So I've implemented Big Clive's supercomputer effect at 256 individual flashes. In software, each flasher has slight randomization of the period so that you get the variation and the supercomputer effect that we all know and love. There's a push button switch that it changes between a few different modes. The first mode is the standard supercomputer running at the fast rate that we see a lot in Clive's streams lately. The second selection is the more traditional, slower one. It's around about 1 Hz. The next one is an even slower one. Then it's back to the fast one again, but this one doesn't have a periodic randomization cycle. Every couple of seconds the other three displays will slightly re-randomize again. Then I've got something a bit more experimental. This is a kind of crossy box type display, surprisingly variable for such a simple piece of code. And then there's a sort of a strange vector graphics, or an attempt at vector graphics. It's a bit simplistic. It's experimental, but that's the last one. And then back to the old supercomputer again. So anyway, thanks for watching, and now I think it's time to print a 3D case for this thing.